Hello everyone, myself Sneha, volunteer of Applied Forensic Research Sciences. Today we are going to look at MCQ part 69 on the topic research methodology. First question is, in research, a group of people, objects or items that are taken from a larger population for measurement is option A sampling, option B methodology, option C hypothesis and option D invention. The answer of first question, option A sampling. Second question is, the difference between the highest and lowest values of a variable or score is option A mean, option B median, option C range, option D standard error. The answer of the second question is option C range. Third question is, the number of participants or observations included in a study. Option A sample analysis, option B ANOVA, option C sample size and option D standard error. The answer of the third question is option C sample size. Fourth question is, what is used to show how many times an event is likely to occur over a specific period? Option A standard error, option B Poisson distribution, option C mode and option D F-test. The answer of the fourth question is option B Poisson distribution. Fifth question is, in DST, D stands for option A device, option B department, option C deal and option D data. The answer of the fifth question is option B department. Sixth question is, a specific statement of prediction is option A hypothesis, option B research, option C objective and option D title. The answer of the sixth question is option A hypothesis. Seventh question is, the word plagiarism has come from the Latin word option A plagiu, option B plagiarius, option C plagiarian and option D plagiarius. The answer of the seventh question is option D plagiarius. Eighth question is, what is used to evaluate the relative importance of a journal within its field? Option A impact factor, option B citation, option C reference and option D authors. The answer of the eighth question is option A impact factor. Ninth question is, a literature search can be refined by using the following tools. Option A Boolean search, option B Boolean search, option C bootstrap search and option D book search. The answer of the ninth question is option B Boolean search. 10th question is, researchers must have the following skills in order to establish cause and effect between variables. Option A temporal precedence, option B covariation of cause and effect, option C no alternative explanation, option D themes that emerge from the data. The answer of the 10th question is option D themes that emerge from the data. 11th question is, who authored the book Methods in Social Research? Option A Wilkinson, option B Gooday and Hatt, option C C.R. Kothari, option D Kerlinger. The answer of the 11th question is option B Gooday and Hatt. 12th question is, one of the methods of logical reasoning process is called option A induction, option B deduction, option C research and option D experiment. Answer of 12th question is option A induction. 13th question is, research undertaken for knowledge seek is option A action research, option B pure research, option C pilot study and option D survey. Answer of 13th question is option B pure research. 14th question is, research is an organized and systematic inquiry defined by option A Marshall, option B P.V. Young, option C Emery and option D Kerlinger. The answer of the 14th question is option C Emery. 15th question is, a research through launching of a direct action with the objective of obtaining workable solutions to the given problems is known as option A action research, option B survey research, option C evaluation research and option D experimentation. Answer of the 15th question is option A action research. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.